Page 278, this Agnus Dei or Dei or however you're going to pronounce it. I don't speak the language, so let's just talk about the music. It's an example of four-part choral music. It says so because it's at the top of the page. And also, if you look at in front of the stabs, it's got the SATB. That's typical four-part choral music, soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. Okay. The idea is, can you play it? Well, let's hear what each part sounds like. One flat, 3/4 time signature. I don't know what the key signature is. We'll get into it. It's either F major or D minor, but until I hear the harmony, I'm not sure. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sounds minor to me, so I'm guessing we're in D minor. The alto, 1, 2. This is fun. Yeah, you can do that. Second line on altos, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Okay, that's interesting. Tenor is, remember, tenor goes down an octave. It's written here, but they sing it down here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then, of course, the basses down 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's an interesting harmonies going on here. Now I want to hear what different combinations are. And you can do all the different combinations. To me, the most important is probably the top was the melody. I don't know, and the bass. So I hear those two. And here the kicker is, can you read them when the stabs are this far apart? Of course, you can go slow. I'm speeding it up for the video, but you can go slow. 1, 2, 3, 1. So I want to hear those two voices. And when they're singing, I want to hear those two voices. The others are fillers. So let's try the top two voices. 1, 2, 3. As far as the fingering goes, I'm not concerned about that right now. It's just hearing the harmony. Now I'd like to hear what the bottom two voices sound like. Hear it? 1. Sound like, and you can do the other combinations, and then eventually try putting it all together. Here we go super duper slow, and it's here. And you see in the second measure they give RH there. They're helping you out. You don't get that in choral music. No, they're not going to tell you how to play it on piano. They're just, the author of the book is helping you, telling you use the right hand here. Unless you can stretch that. If you can stretch that, it doesn't matter. Otherwise, they're telling you to do that because it's easier for the second measure. So here, this, then here, then here. You got these. It's interesting. The measure 5, we're here, and here, and here. The last note in the alto one here because it's here, but you can rest it. Doesn't matter which hand you play it with. And that's sort of what the thing is going to sound like. Generally, what I would do when I'm accompanying them, and this is all I get, is I just play the chords. I just kind of, what chord is it? I just kind of play that, and that gets in their keys, their notes. Depends on a major, doesn't it? I just kind of do that, and then if you wanted to improvise something, go knock yourselves out. But that's basically all we're doing here. And it would help if you actually have students, if you could sing these parts. Now, you're not going to sing the sopranos and altos up here. You could sing them down here. The point is, you need to be familiar with the parts.